Hey drum fam, welcome back. Today we're going to focus on the hi-hat. We're going to do some hi-hat patterns today instead of a groove. We've listed or laid down a lot of grooves for you guys so far. This time we're going to focus on some hi-hat flavor, some sauciness to put with those funky grooves that we've been doing. And we're going to do it right after this. Okay, welcome back everybody. Glad to see you, all my friends from Greece, Italy, US. Travis, I see you, man. Get those sticks ready. Let's get it going. All right, so today's lesson, we're going to focus on seven different hi-hat patterns that you can add to all the grooves that we've been doing thus far. Now, these hi-hat patterns are going to focus on the upbeat with 8 notes. We're doing an 8-note pattern. It's going to focus on the upbeat, which means on the ands, okay? So, without any further ado, let's get it started. The first pattern, and again, these patterns are coming out of Joel Rothman's Mini Monster Book of Rock Drumming. Our last video, we did some grooves from there. This time, and then the next lesson to come, we're going to do some hi-hat work out of that same book. So if you have that book, great. If not, check it out, joelrothman.com, and go check it out for yourselves, okay? Really good book. All right, here we go. First hi-hat pattern. 1, 2, 3. Pattern number 2. Pattern number 3 goes like this. Pattern number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern number 5. This time we're going to open and close the hi-hat twice on this pattern instead of once like we've done on the previous pattern. And it goes like this. Good. Pattern number 6 in today's lesson. Pattern number 6 today goes like this. Our 7th and final pattern today on the hi-hat lesson goes like this. There you have it. 7 hi-hat beats on the hi-hat with the upbeat 8-note pattern. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hey, by the way, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the bell notification so that you'll know every time we make a video. Thanks for telling all your friends about us. Thank you for helping us grow our channel. We appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.